welcome to Nathan's Ramblings, recipes, reviews, and ramblings. Today, we're gonna make
Rice Krispie Treats.
I gotta start all over again. Hello and welcome to Nathan's Ramblings, recipes, reviews, and ramblings. Today, we're gonna make Rice Krispie Treats.
All right, let's get started.
All right, let's get started.
All right, we're gonna put the burner on low. Tell them.
Well, make sure you have a fan to help you.
All right.
All right, and then
we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter.
We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter.
Let that melt.
Down, or let that melt. I'll do it.
Okay, careful. This is gonna get hot.
I'm gonna make it cold.
That's it.
All the hot.
Here, hold it up here so you don't have to put your hand near the pot. There you go.
I'll do it.
That's it, like that. Get it all melted. All right, that's good. Let's add the marshmallows.
I want to eat one.
You want to eat one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, try a marshmallow. All right, Daddy's gonna add the marshmallows in, okay? Or you want to do it?
I'm eating the marshmallow.
All right, you eat the marshmallow. I'll add the marshmallows in. So we had 1 bag, 10 ounces of marshmallows.
Okay, here is the marshmallow that I took a bite with.
And we want to get these all nice and melted down, right?
Yeah, right. Here is the marshmallow that I took a bite of.
You want to stir some? Or are you too busy eating?
I'm too busy eating.
Okay. You want to stir it?
Yes.
Okay, again, hold it up here. There you go, like that. Right at the end. There you go. Stir it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
We want it to all be melted, so it's still gonna cook a little more. We just don't want to. We want to make sure it doesn't burn.
Okay.
The marshmallows are all melted. We're gonna turn the heat off, and we're gonna pour in 6 cups of Rice Krispies. You want help? Okay. And now we gotta stir this all in.
I'll do it.
All right, you do some.
Doodle in.
We gotta do it quick because it's gonna all set up. Okay? Quick. All right, let go for a minute. Let go for a minute.
We're making Rice Krispie Treats.
Mm-hmm.
The Rice Krispies.
All right, hold on. Let me just make sure I get it all off the edges. Okay. All right, you want to stir a little bit?
Yeah.
All right. While Nathan's stirring, I'm going to spray a 13 by 9 pan with some Pam, and we'll press it into that. Now we're going to scoop it out. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to scoop it out and put it in this pan. All right. There. The pot is very hot. Hold on. Because this is very hot too.
That's very hot. Look it. High five.
Now let's spread this. Look, we're going to spread it around. Daddy's going to use a buttered spatula. All right. That's good. Save that for you, okay? Daddy's going to use a buttered spatula. And we're going to, okay, here, do it. All right, use a buttered spatula. We're trying to make it nice and flat all over, okay? Here, like this.
I'll do it.
Okay. All right, can you smooth out the big bumps now? Like over here, smooth that one out, push it down. Good job.
Now
All right, we've got some Halloween sprinkles. I want you to use your hand and sprinkle them across the top. I'll hold the bowl, you grab a handful and sprinkle them. Spread them all over. That's it, all over.
Oh. Are I gonna make Halloween ones?
These are gonna be for Halloween.
I don't want them to be for Halloween.
All right, that's it. All right, now we gotta squish them with your hand. Push them down. like that. That's it. Okay, and now these need to set up. You can put them in the refrigerator, or just leave them out on the counter for a few hours, and then we'll...
I'll leave them out on the counter.
Okay, we'll leave them out on the counter for a few hours, and then we'll cut them up, and we'll give them a try.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you in a little bit.
We're back for the last part.
What are we going to do?
Cut it up.
We're going to cut it up and give it a try.
We're going to cut it up and give it a try. All right. Let's...
All right, how about...
We can cut this whole thing.
All right, here, let's cut it like... Okay, let's cut it like this in the corner. Okay?
I'll do it.
All right, help me.
I'll do it.
See the line Daddy made? Start there. Okay, and now, look. Wait. All right, now we'll cut it like this.
I'll do it.
Hold the handle. Here, we'll turn it around. We'll turn it around.
By myself.
All right, we'll turn it around. You do it all by yourself. Cut right there. You got to push hard. Okay. All right, let's take it out. Here, let me see.
All right, let's
There you go.
take it out.
All right. Okay. Let's show them. There it is. All right, why don't you try it and tell us how it is? Give us a review.
Okay. All right, let's give it a try. Yummy.
It's yummy.
Yeah.
Is it crunchy
Yummy and crunchy
and sweet?
and sweet.
Is it buttery?
If buttery. If you hope it, give me a comment. If you like it, if you hope it, give me a comment down below. And if you
Like it? Give me a...
if you like it, and if you enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. Bye.
Ding ding.
No. Ding ding. Bye.
All right, everybody. I hope you like these. If you do, like Nathan said, comment down below if you do. Give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And this recipe is the recipe right off the box of Rice Krispie Treats. So nice and easy, 3 ingredients, lots of fun. Have a good one.